of Mount St. Mary's Convent College, Lalpur. I am privileged to be the part of this prestigious institution as it is a branch of St. Mary's Nainital which has contributed much in the field of education for the last 150 years. I am very happy to study in Mount St. Mary's in class 6 for many reasons. Firstly, the sisters and teachers are very friendly and dedicated. They care for every student. The vast green pollution-free campus is very conducive for me to stay focused on my studies. Tests and exams are conducted periodically to test our knowledge. A lot of activities are organized at different occasions which help me to gain more and more confidence. Every student in Mount St. Mary's is encouraged to read good books and speak in English. I am taught in moral science class to respect everyone and every religion and be honest and hardworking at all times. Thank you.
Good morning, Divyanshi.
Good morning, Didi.
How are you, Divyanshi?
I am good, thank you.
In which class do you study?
I study in nursery.
In which school do you study?
I study in Mount St. Mary Convent College.
Who is your principal?
Sister Rena.
Are you happy in the school?
Yes.
Where do you live, Divyanshi?
I live in Pratapur.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Praveen Kumar Tiwari.
Okay. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mrs. Garma Tiwari.
What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is Lance Tiwari.
Do you know any poem in English?
Yes. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa, eating sugar, no, Papa, telling lies, no, Papa, open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Good. Do you know any Hindi poem?
Yes. बच्ची जलती रानी है, जीवन का पानी, हाथ लगाओगे तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालोगे तो मर जाएगी.
Good.
Thank you. Good morning, sister.
Good morning to you. What is your name?
My name is Aradhya Bhatt.
Okay. Aradhya, how are you?
I am fine, sister.
Very good. In which school do you study, Aradhya?
I study in Mount St. Mary's Convent College.
What is your principal's name?
My principal's name is Sister Reena.
Very good. In which class do you study?
I study in UKG.
Aradhya, who is your class teacher?
My class teacher is Sister Josephine.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Chandrasekhar Bhatt.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mrs. Anita Bhatt.
Do you like your school?
Yes, sister.
I see. Very good. Do you know any nursery rhyme in English?
Yes, sister.
Please sing it for me.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master, 1 for his dame, 1 for the little boy who leaps down the lane.
That's very good. Do you know any nursery rhyme in Hindi?
Yes, sister.
Please sing it for me.
फूल फूल तुम कितने अच्छे, तुम्हें प्यार करते हैं बच्चे, रंग तुम्हें दे जाता कौन, एक तो छिड़क के जाता कौन, बतलाओ तो उसका नाम, सदा करे जो अच्छे काम.
Very good. God bless you. Study well and become a good officer. Okay?
गुड मॉर्निंग सर। सर, आजकल हम अपने इर्द गिर्द कई स्कूल देखते हैं जिनमें सरकारी स्कूल, प्राइवेट स्कूल और कॉन्वेंट स्कूल शामिल हैं। मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि आप किस स्कूल को अधिक महत्व देंगे?
हम कॉन्वेंट स्कूल को ज़्यादा महत्व देंगे।
सर, क्या मैं आपसे इसका कारण जान सकती हूँ?
यह एक बहुत अच्छा और बढ़िया विषय है। हमारे देश में अधिकांश लोगों को यह पता नहीं है कि अंग्रेजी माध्यम और कॉन्वेंट स्कूल के मध्य अंतर क्या है। इस विषय को हमको ज़्यादा समझना होगा कि उनमें अंतर क्या है। इसमें इतना अंतर है कि जितना कि एक शुद्ध सोना होता है और नकली सोना होता है। अंग्रेजी विद्यालय साल भर ज़्यादा फीस लेते हैं, जिससे कि अभिभावक परेशान रहते हैं, और वही कॉन्वेंट स्कूल नाम मात्र की फीस लेते हैं और जिससे कि हर वर्ग के बच्चे उसमें पढ़ सकें। अंग्रेजी माध्यम में अपने अनुशासन के प्रति भी थोड़ा सा कड़ा अनुशासन नहीं होने के कारण वो अधोगति को प्राप्त हो रहे हैं। कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में कड़े अनुशासन और छात्रों का सर्वांगीण विकास होता है। अब उसका एग्जाम्पल मैं अपने पुत्र के द्वारा दूंगा। जब वो छोटा था तो वो ज़्यादा बोल नहीं पाता, सही ढंग से बोल नहीं पाता था। तो मैं उसको कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में यहाँ लेके आया। तो यहाँ की जो सिस्टर्स वगैरह हैं उन्होंने उस पर बहुत ध्यान दिया, वैसे ही बहुत ध्यान दिया, और आज वो अच्छे ढंग से सब कुछ सही ढंग से बोल पा रहा है और हो पा रहा है। अंग्रेजी विद्यालय में मैं उसको लेके गया था तो उन्होंने उसको साथ लेने से मना कर दिया कि बोले ये तो डिसेबल है, ये है, उसको मना कर दिया। तो और लेकिन मैं इसको यहाँ लेके आया तो यहाँ की जो सिस्टर थी, सिस्टर वंदना और सिस्टर रैना ने बहुत सारी मेहनत करी निशांत पे। तो आज जो है निशांत अच्छे ढंग से बोल पा रहा है, जिससे कि हमारा भी समाज में थोड़ा सा नाम हो रहा है। और सारे बच्चों को एक साथ नहीं, किसी भी एक्टिविटी में एक साथ नहीं लेते हैं। वहीं कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में सब सारे बच्चों को एक साथ लेके चलने का, सब बच्चों को एक साथ लेके आगे बढ़ते हैं, चाहे वो किसी भी क्षेत्र में हो, शिक्षा में, खेल में, किसी भी एक्टिविटी में सब बच्चों को एक साथ लेके चलना कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में सिखाया जाता है। अंत में मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं अपने छात्र को यहाँ इस कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में डालकर अति प्रसन्न हूँ, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को से अपील करना चाहूँगा कि वो भी अपने बच्चों को इस स्कूल में एडमिशन करवाएं और बच्चे का सर्वांगीण विकास करें।
Thank you, sir, for your opinion.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Welcome to Mount St. Mary's Convent College. Thank you. We are glad to know that you are one of the proud parents of our school. Could you please tell us what changes and growth you have seen in your ward from the time she is studying in Mount St. Mary's?
I am Pallavi Tiwari, mother of खुशी तिवारी, जो इसी स्कूल में क्लास 3 की स्टूडेंट है। आई थिंक इट वॉज माई बेस्ट डिसीजन कि मैंने अपनी बेटी को इस स्कूल में भेजा। एज ए मदर आई वॉज वेरी स्केर्ड कि जब वो स्कूल जाएगी हाउ शी विल रिस्पॉन्ड, और टीचर्स का उसके लिए कैसा रिस्पॉन्स होगा। जैसे कि कहा भी जाता है होम इज़ द फर्स्ट स्कूल एंड स्कूल इज़ द सेकेंड होम। तो यही सोच के मैं बहुत डरी हुई थी कि उसे घर की तरह कंफर्टेबल एक एटमॉस्फेयर यहाँ मिलेगा या नहीं। बट आफ्टर सेंडिंग हर, जो मेरे डाउट्स थे वो सब क्लियर हो गए, क्योंकि स्कूल का जो इन्वायरमेंट है वो बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल है, टीचर्स बहुत ही केयरिंग हैं बच्चों के लिए, और पेरेंट्स के लिए भी यहाँ बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल इन्वायरमेंट है। मेरी बेटी LKG क्लासेस स्कूल में पढ़ती है एंड नाउ शी इज़ इन क्लास 3, और इन 5 सालों में मैंने उसके अंदर डे टू डे इम्प्रूवमेंट्स देखे हैं, चाहे वो उसकी ईटिंग हैबिट्स को लेकर हो या उसके बात करने के तरीके हों। मीन्स उसके अंदर जो इम्प्रूवमेंट्स है, इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट हर स्टडी। ये नहीं कि स्कूल में सिर्फ स्टडीज से रिलेटेड इम्प्रूवमेंट उसके अंदर आए हैं, उसके अंदर उसकी पूरी पर्सनैलिटी इम्प्रूव हुई है। तो आई वॉज वेरी सेटिस्फाइड, इसलिए मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं अपनी छोटी बेटी को भी इसी स्कूल में डालूँ, और अब मैंने उसको भी यहाँ एडमिशन करा दिया। नाउ शी इज़ ऑल्सो इन द केयरिंग हैंड्स ऑफ द स्कूल स्टाफ, और एंड आई फील वेरी प्राउड कि एज अ पेरेंट मैं भी इसी स्कूल का एक पार्ट हूँ, एंड आई विश देम ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट टू देयर जर्नी अहेड। थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am, for your opinion about this.
It is my privilege to address you all and to speak on the importance of the quality of education. After more than 40 years of experience in our schools, especially in St. Mary's Convent College, Nainital, as teacher and principal, I can say that education is very important in the life of a child. It creates tremendous confidence and strength of character in an individual. Mary Ward, a visionary and foundress of the Congregation of Jesus, of which I am a member, believed in the women empowerment and initiated education even as early as 16th century. The lamp then lit has been igniting the lives of hundreds and thousands of girls. I particularly mention the role St. Mary's Convent College, Nainital, that is our Ramni, has played in the lives of young girls. Many Ramniites who have passed out from the school are now creating a ripple and contributing to the building of the society. A good number of them are serving as doctors in and outside the country. Recently, Dr. Farah Usmani, UN Population Fund Chief from the batch of 1976, has been honored with the prestigious Mahatma Award 2021. Ranjana Joshi, MBA from IIM 2000 to 2001, has authored a book, The Spiral of Deception. Srishti Chandel, now Singh, a published author, is an editor for a publishing house. Many are working as civil servants. To mention a few, IAS, Shailja Pandey, Jyoti Shah, and Sonakshi Tomar. Many are working as lawyers in the Supreme Court. Example, Jasmine. Many Ramniites were working as the frontline warriors during the pandemic. Michelle Salam, in the field of bakery, has given employment to many ladies and has been honored by state government Manipur. There are many success stories of the Ramniites. I must also mention that children who are below average gain much confidence at the end of their education at Ramni, also hold prominent places in the society. Mount St. Mary's Convent College is a branch of this august institution. We opened it in 2015 at the behest of many parents and students. It is situated in Rudrapur, Lalpur. Surely, Mount St. Mary's can be another Ramni with the passing of years. A team of dedicated sisters who had been in Nainital with a number of committed teachers are at work to inculcate values of freedom, justice, sincerity, love, brotherhood, compassion, and forgiveness, so that they become more human and create a humane society. It is a message for those parents and students who want to make a mark in the society that Mount St. Mary's welcomes you with open arms.
Hello, I'm Akriti, an ex-student of St. Mary's Convent, Nainital. I'm an astrophysicist working in Chile, South America. Previously, I have also worked in ISRO and the Indian Institute of Astrophysics. I owe my alma mater for everything that I have achieved in my life. For me, Ramni is not just a school, it is like a second home. From the second we enter the blue gates of Ramni, we can feel the spirit of the Ramni family and the traditions that have sustained the institute for more than 150 years. I remember the academics in Ramni were excellent. Our teachers in Ramni didn't just limit us to passing the exams and gaining bookish knowledge, but they also ignited our interest in the various subjects. My physics and maths teachers motivated me to go even beyond the course and led me to pursue astrophysics as a career. It is because of my interest in astrophysics, which I developed during school, that I have been successful in the field of astronomy. Classes in Ramni were not just limited to academics. We had the opportunity to explore extracurriculars, a lot of different sports, and most importantly, personality and moral development. We had many opportunities to go up on stage and develop good communication skills. Looking back at my career, I can say that the discipline, communication skills, and the leadership skills that I learned in Ramni has made me greatly progress in my career. The best part of being a Ramniite is to be part of a strong international Ramni community. There is always the support of ex-Ramniites, no matter which city one may go. As we say in Ramni, once a Ramniite, always a Ramniite. Thank you.
Ramni has been a part of my life for 7 years. 7 years of inculcating values, 7 years of wielding a strength, and 7 years of inculcating a will that urges me, even today, to just keep on trying. The immense support that I received in Ramni while growing up has shaped me to what I am today. It inculcated in me a thought process that moral values are as important as your academics. Even today, in the face of obstacles, I just keep telling myself one single sentence, that labor conquers all.